எல்லா ஃபோனும் கொண்டுட்டேன். வச்சுக்கோ, அது குரோமேட்டை கொடுத்துறது ஃபோன். Hi Chitra ma'am, very good evening. Thanks for joining. Jagadamba ma'am, good evening. Vanakkam. Good evening Asha Tilak. Sandhya, hi, welcome. Good evening Sandhya. Vani, hi, welcome. Thanks for your heartings, dear. Hi Sangeeta, good evening. Thanks for joining. Esther ma'am, good evening Esther ma'am. Thanks for joining. Wow, beautiful. All ladies joined today evening. Superb, superb. So Sumati ma'am is missing in today's evening live. Sumati ma'am, Lima ma'am. Hi Swati, welcome. Kalarani ma'am. So lots of members are missing today evening. Welcome Swati. Hi Mamata. Good evening Mamata. So you all noticed the live timings in the Facebook which I have intimated, right? I missed your live so much for past 5 days. Yeah, Swati, I too miss you. Neeraja, hi, good evening. Kavita, hi, good evening. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Thanks for your lovely emojis and heart and dearies. Thanks for your smileys also. Hi, Kavita. Welcome, dear. So morning I have posted these type of mala sets. So multiples was stock. Evening தான் ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கு. ஓ அப்படியே எஸ்தர் மேம், சரிங்க மேடம். எனக்கு வந்து மார்னிங் தான் மேடம் கரெக்டா இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு எப்போ ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கோ நீங்க அப்ப பாருங்க. லைவ் ரெக்கார்டட் லைவ் ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜ்லயே தான் இருக்கும். நீங்க பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கலாம். ஷில்பா, ஹாய், வெல்கம். So please do join soon. We can start with the live. Lots of beautiful collections today. Afternoon lunch making. So lunch make பண்ணிட்டே நீங்க பார்க்கலாமே. சமைச்சிட்டே லைவ் ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கலாம். Look so much pretty today. Oh wow. Jashpreet Jain, welcome. What is your name, ma? Can you please mention your name here? So you're in your husband's ID, I think so. Your name is Jaspreet. So please mention your name. Vidya ma'am, good evening Vidya ma'am. Thanks for joining. Hi Lata ma'am, welcome. Good evening ma'am. So I'll start with the live. So morning I have posted these type of videos here. So multiples was stock, only one piece in this color I have. This and this pastel green only available now. So these two colors available now. So I can wear and show. I have came to live now. Today what collections? Today lots of beautiful layer necklaces ma. Layer necklace and milky color stone necklace collections and our very beautiful Andivanam Araikum Manjal. Oh, super ma'am. Hi Varshu, Geeta ma'am, welcome, good evening. Jyoti ma'am, hi, good evening. Swarnamba ma'am, good evening. So this is a very lovely piece and this is with the matching earrings. It's a pure purple color beads we have. This is with the 5 layers ma. 5 layer beads irukku and you will be getting a beautiful Victorian polished pendant with 2 side parrots. So we have a lovely beads combination with the hangings also. Only one piece available in each now. Only single piece I have. Whoever wants, you can take a screenshot and book in WhatsApp number 73977399200. I have pinned the WhatsApp number on the screen itself. Okay, Neelavati ma'am, welcome. Deepa ma'am, good evening. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Shilpa. So this is for 5060 dearies. 5060. 5060. And there is a matching earrings. There it's not too heavy, ma'am. It's not heavy. It's weightless earrings only. So everyone can use this also. It's a beautiful piece with the purple color. Same purple color stone will be at the center. And you'll be getting a Victorian polish at the bottom side of the pendant. Full and full of Victorian polish with 80 zircon stones. You will be filled with the stones in this full dollar. And here you will be getting pearls and rice pearls. Sorry, rice pearls, the purple color beads plus rice pearls will be mediate into, it will be customized here. This is full set will be 5060. The same color combination. Hi Chitra ma'am. Welcome Chitra ma'am. Thanks for joining. So, in the back camera, you can screenshot it to WhatsApp. Super. Thank you, Vani. It's a lovely color, ma. It's a very beautiful, different color. It's a rare color combination also. Hi, Suni. Welcome, Suni. Meghna, hi. Always awesome collections you have. Thank you, Meghna. So, this is also very beautiful. This is price for 5060, dearies. 5060. So, next piece, shall we go? Shall we move on to the next piece? So, this is a very beautiful pastel green we have. So, this is with the 4 layers of pastel green and you will be having a jimki hangings at the bottom. Superb jimki hangings and this is for 4140 ma. 4140. So, this is also very lovely piece. Beautiful piece in this. It's a lovely pastel green you will be getting for this. So this is a green color and you will having a big size jimki for this. This is also weightless jimki only we have. 4140 for this piece. 4140. So jimki is also very beautiful with the Victorian polish. Posting to potunida. So this is the earrings. Victorian collection means this black polish is made by the Victorian polish. Afternoon live varamudila busy irundhuchu evening live. So this is with the jimki. This is for 4140. 4140 for this full set. It's a very beautiful color combination ma. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 73977392200 for all your bookings. This is also very cute, lovely combination. I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot. Hi Jayashree ma'am. Yes ma'am, original beads nale rate poyidhu madam. Jaasti aidhu. So semi precious beads vandu plastic maatri irukum. This is not No, Jayashree ma'am, fade agadu. Neenga 10 years, 15 years potalu fade agadu idella. Avlo nalla irukku idella quality. It's all original beads ma'am. So this is very beautiful. So this is price for 4140. 4140 for this piece. So now I'm going to wear a very beautiful exclusive collection ma'am. Yengeme indha mari collection innu varala. This is the first time we are launching in our GJ Creations. See this piece, how beautiful it looks. Eppadi irukku madam workmanship? Hi Uma ma'am, welcome. See this piece, how it looks. Back side stem da Purnima. So see this piece, how beautiful it looks. Eppadi irukku madam in the next set? It's a rose gold finish. Rose gold with mother of pearls with the florals. Wow, amazing. Thank you, Swati. So see this piece, how beautiful it looks. First time launch in GJ, ma'am. First na launch pannirken idu. So it's a superb, very cute piece and earrings is also very, very pretty earrings we have for this. Stunning. Yeah, thank you. See the stunning piece. It's a lovely, great piece, ma'am. This is for 10,000 exclusive party set. Yes, ma'am. 10,500 for this piece, ma'am. 10,500. So whoever wants, you can immediately WhatsApp. Only single piece I have in this. Single only. வேற level collection. Thank you, ma'am. பாருங்க அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு. நான் பேக் சைட் கேமராலயும் காமிச்சிடுறேன் இதோட workmanship. It's a beautiful exclusive piece. So see this piece, ma'am. It's a fantastic piece you will be getting with this. And you have a earrings also with a clip type. Superb earrings you will be getting with this. Yeah, first time launch Jayashree ma'am. Yeah, I will show in back camera Kavita. யாருக்கு வேணுமா டக்குன்னு screenshot எடுத்து book பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த piece நீங்க எங்க தேடினாலும் கிடைக்காது. You will not get this piece itself. So see the earrings also. You'll be getting the great workmanship in the earrings itself. Hi ma'am, day by day your collections are made everyone mad. Ma'am, super duper collection. Thank you Kantapalli Raju. So this is very beautiful with the mother of pearls. Allu malaga. Thank you Chitra ma'am. இதோட necklace. அவ்வளோ கியூட்டா இருக்கு. இதுல என்னென்ன கலர் ஸ்டோன்ஸ்னா பாட்டில் கிரீன் ஸ்டோன்ஸ் இருக்கு, பாஸ்டல் கிரீன் இருக்கு, மதர் ஆஃப் பர்ல்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஒயிட் ஸ்டோன்ஸ்மே இருக்கு, பேபி பிங்க்குமே இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பேபி பிங்க் ஸ்டோன்ஸ்மே இருக்கு, எல்லா கலர் ஸ்டோன்ஸ்மே இதுலயே ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கு மேடம். குட் ஈவினிங் லேக்கா. ஹாய் ஸ்ருதி, வெல்கம் ஸ்ருதி, தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஜாயினிங். So if you put both the earrings and if you go for a party, it will be lovely ma'am. So all the eyes will be on you only. அவ்வளோ யூனிக்கா இருக்கு. நான் இந்த செட் மட்டும் பேக் கேமரால காட்டுறேன். அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கும் இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் செட். Yes Sugantha ma'am, it's a beautiful lovely set ma'am. No words to explain this. It's a 3D finish. உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃப்ளாரல்ஸ் எல்லாமே 3D ஃபினிஷ்ல இருக்கும். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். No discount Jayashree ma'am, so sorry. You can't, it's உங்களுக்கு ஷோரூம் பிரைஸ் எல்லாமே 20,000 வரும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். உங்களுக்கு நியர்லி யூ வில் பி கெட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் 20,000 திஸ். மேம் மதர் ஆஃப் பர்ல்ஸ்னா இதுதான் மேடம். திஸ் இஸ் மதர் ஆஃப் பர்ல்ஸ். ஸோ see the workmanship you get. See how beautiful the workmanship looks. All are original stones used and the workmanship. கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துல. So see this workmanship on the mother of pearls. They have designed, they have carved on the mother of pearls. And here also see the 3D finish. You will be getting with the 3D type finish. And super duper piece. நான் இது அப்படியே ஒரு வீடியோ எடுத்து சாங் போட்டு விட்டுருமா. நீ இப்போ அப்படியே சைட் பை சைட் நீ எடுத்துருத. அதான் என் ஃபோன் இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. ஹாய் வெல்மா மேம், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் மேம். இட்ஸ் அ லவ்லி பீஸ் டியரிஸ், டோன்ட் மிஸ் இட். அண்ட் இயரிங்ஸ் ஆல்சோ too good earrings. So this is the earrings for this. It's a beautiful mother of pearls in this also. Lovely mother of pearls dearies. See the piece. ஒரு ரெண்டுமே அழகா இருக்குல்ல, சூப்பரா இருக்கு. So lovely piece dearies. So don't miss it. Who wants to book immediately? You can book it in the live also, or you can go to the WhatsApp immediately. So see the piece, how the workmanship. These all are rose gold ma'am. Rose gold finish. The leaves super irka. Thank you ma'am. Hi Radha Shri, welcome. Aparna 10,500 Aparna. It's a lovely piece. If you want, take a screenshot and go immediately. Only one piece I have. Other than this, I can't get another piece also. Okay, designer pieces, only one will come. Extraordinary piece. Thank you Satyavati ma'am. Thank you so much. Bangles received. My daughter wore for her send-off celebration today. Thank you. Okay Madhushri, welcome. So now, akka the double layer எடுத்து கொடுத்துருங்க. அடுத்தது இங்கே தான் இருக்கு, இங்கே இருக்கு. So next I'm going to show one more beautiful pieces. So this is very new to GJ now. So it's a layer necklace. It's a colorful necklace also I'm going to show. So first I'm going to show with my black color. So in this I have totally 8 to 9 colors I have in this diaries. All 8 to 9 colors are very unique in this.
8 colors.
So 8 colors. 8 color இருக்கு மேடம். 8 color மே அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. I'll wear and show this. So this is a very double layer necklace you will be getting. What a area. See this piece dearies. Lovely piece. You will be getting 2 layers. கொஞ்சம் கீழே இறக்குங்க. திருப்புது. இறக்கி போடுங்க. கரெக்டா. ஐயோமா. Glittering. Yes. It's a very glittery piece also. See this piece. Super duper. You will be getting a very beautiful floral here dearies. Beautiful floral here, full of colorful stones you will be getting with this. Lovely piece, and earrings also very glittery. I'll show all the colors in this dear ma. So this is the black color earrings. See how cute it looks. And this is priced for 2,640 rupees dearies. 2640. 2640. 2,640 only for this piece, and earrings also very weightless earrings. You can take a screenshot. Thank you so much. I have lovely 8 lovely colors in this. So each and every color I'll keep on show. This is the black color earrings you'll be getting with this. Thank you, Shushila ma'am. Hi ma'am, welcome. Nagarshruti, good evening. Thanks for joining there. So this is a black color. You can see the black color stones also. See how glittery it looks. So matching bangles also I can arrange. The same design bangles also available in this. Okay. Beautiful glittery necklace. Okay, back camera. Hi Purnima. Welcome Purnima. So this is black color. This is the first color, dearies. Number 1. And second color. It's a lovely purple, dearies. Beautiful purple color I have in this. See how beautiful purple color. It's all different pieces I have. Purple color I have. I have honey color. It's a champagne color, ma. Champagne color. And I have coral. It's a beautiful coral I have in this. I have fantastic ruby. I have bottle green. So these are the color combinations. This is dark blue. And I have one more. It's a beautiful solitaire diamonds white color. So each and every color I'll keep and show in the neck. Then you can take a screenshot. So this is the white color. It's a beautiful white. It's a white color, ma. If you want, you can take a screenshot for this. Superb white you will be getting with this. It's a white color. Beautiful white. It's very glittery stones, ma'am. All our solitaire diamonds have used in this. So you can close your eyes and purchase this collections, ma'am. So this is blue. Dark blue. It's a beautiful blue color combination. Lovely blue color. You can match for all the saris also. 2,640 dearies. 2,640 for this piece. It's a blue color. Next I'm coming with a very beautiful bottle green. Parul 2,640. 2,640. This is green color, dearies. It's a lovely green. It's a beautiful green also. Lovely colors I have. You will be attaching with the back chain and you will be receiving it. So with the back chain only I will give it. Don't worry, okay? You will be getting with the back chain. This is a lovely coral color. Red. See this red also. Beautiful red color. Pure blood red, ma'am. Blood red collection with the corals and coral earrings you will be getting with this. 2,640. 2,640. And this is ruby. Hi Neeraja. This is ruby color, ma. Fantastic color combination. Beautiful ruby color. It's a lovely piece also. Ruby color stones. So cute collections we have in this. This is ruby. And I have a fantastic champagne color. So these all are priced for 2,640. So this is a champagne color, dearies. Beautiful champagne color. See the glittery of the stones. Each and every stone will be solitaire glittery. 2,640 with the earrings. Next, last but not the least, this is a purple. Superb purple I have. How was this collection? Hi Manjusha ma'am, welcome. How was this collection, ma? Is it good? Beautiful? Beautiful, ma'am. Lovely collections. Thank you. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Earrings pick. Earrings I'll show you, ma. So this will be the earrings, Neeraja. This is the earrings for that. Beautiful earrings. Purple is simply amazing. Super. Thank you. Thank you so much. So next I'm going to show a very beautiful milky color stones. All are pastel color stones you'll be getting throughout the necklace. So you'll be getting a watch strap collection. This is a watch strap collection you'll be getting with us. And see this piece. Hi Sujata ma'am. Varanasi honey, welcome. Wow, thank you. Yeah, see this. Wow, fantastic, ma'am. Chocolate collections. These all are very beautiful chocolate collections we have, and earrings also very pretty in this. Super pretty collection. So I'll show the color combinations and the designs in the back camera. You can take a screenshot, earrings. See this earrings also. Very cute. Office look இருக்கும் அப்படியே ஒரு ரிச்சான ஒரு அழகான ஆஃபீஸ் லுக் கிடைக்கும். So this is price for 4120. 4120 for this piece. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Earrings is also very pretty and you will be getting full of imported stones in the center, and side all you will be getting full of white color stone finishing. I'll show in the back camera for this. You will be getting the full finishing at the back camera. So next I have a very beautiful color combination, the same pattern but design will be somewhat different in this. This is a geometric pattern with the circle finish, and this is oval color stones, and this is circle stones. And next I have leaf finish also, that also I'll show you in the back camera. See this piece. See how beautiful the milky colors are. It's very richest collection, ma'am. Never ever richest collection. And the lock will be like this type. You'll be getting with the imported lock at the top. Varanasi honey, which I'm wearing is 4120, and which I'm showing now, this is for 4050, ma. This is the earrings for this. 4050. Okay, if you want, you can take a screenshot, dearies. It's a beautiful color combination. Lovely collection and very rich collection too. This is for 4050. And one more design I have, that is also 4050. And this is a leaf pattern we have. See this leaf pattern. Very beautiful leaf pattern we have. And this is the lock system we have in the top. Watch color lock varum illingla. Ask the watch strap what lock you're getting in watch. The same lock system will be in this necklace also. So this leaf also I'll wear and show you. Superb. Thank you, Shubha. Okay, remove பண்ணுங்க. Today late join. Welcome Swati Shri. எடுங்க இல்ல இது பின்னாடி கேமரால காமிச்சுங்க. So which one I was wearing, this is for 4120, dearies. I'll show the stone color combinations. Yeah, I'll show you in back camera, Vilma ma'am. So this is the which I was wearing now. How many colors are available? Only one. This is the same color, ma. This is all imported ones. Only these colors will be coming in this. No other colors will not come in the Shilpa. And this is the earrings. 4120, ma. Whoever wants, take a screenshot and immediately go to the WhatsApp number for your bookings. 4120, dearies. Hi Lakshmi, welcome Lakshmi. And this is a leaf type pattern which I have shown in the back camera now. So leaf pattern also very beautiful. This is price for 4050. 4050 rupees for this piece. This is a very beautiful leaf design, and you will be getting a leaf design earrings in this. Cute necklace you will be getting with this, ma. 4050. Only one which I was wearing first, that is for 4120. Other two are the same prices for 4050. So these all are imported ones, ma'am. You can't get any of the stores this collections. Next comes with the diamond finish. This is also with colorful. We have two colors in this. One is ruby and one is green color. With the jimki I have this. So jimki is very cute in this, ma. So this is a very cute diamond finish. Hi Bhavya ma'am, thank you so much. With a very beautiful wine color red. Wine red and solvanga idukku. So wine red with stones and with diamond finish. and it is combined with the Jimki. This is priced for 2690. 2690 for this piece. Black purple, dalla theriyudhu. Black cloth appadi irukave koodadu.
Piece illa padichinthu.
Mela eduthunna par eppadi irukante. Black white weight ah theriyudhu par. So this is the piece and we have, and I have a lovely Jimki for this. 2690 akka idu. 2690 for this piece. 2690. I have two colors. This is wine red and I have one more color, bottle green I have. So both the colors are very beautiful and unique color combinations, ma. Yeah. It's lovely piece with the Jimki. So in the mari white stone, in the mari trendy finish le Jimkis varadu. This is the first time we are getting with the Jimki. And this is for 2690 dearies. 2690. It's a beautiful piece. I have one more color. That is a lovely green. It's a bottle green in this. So two colors are very fancy colors also, very unique also. You can match it for all the colors sarees. Back camera. Thank you, Wilma ma'am. This is green color and I'll show the ruby also in the back camera. So this is ruby. Both the colors are very lovely. Very fun. So I'll show the Jimki also in this. So Jimki will be like this pattern. Super duper pieces, dearies. 2690 ma. 2690. And next, one more design. So now I'm coming with a very beautiful floral collection, ma'am. Floral collection with floral collection earrings itself I have. This is a very fantastic purple color. Light lavender color. Loved the Jimkas. Thank you, Wilma ma'am. Thank you, Indu. Welcome, Indu. So I'll wear and show. See this finish, how it looks. It's a very beautiful piece, ma'am. Superb. Thank you, Rupa. See this piece. This is a very beautiful, fantastic purple color. You get, and you have a purple color earrings also in this. And this is priced for rupees 1570 ma. 1570 for this piece. 1570. Hi Sivagami ma'am. Welcome. Good evening. So this is the earrings. 1570 for this. 1570. So this is the first color. Wow, pleasant color. Yeah, Mamata, it's a very beautiful color. So next also I'll show you one more color. So that is also very beautiful color combinations. So I'll show all the colors in the back camera. Then you can take a screenshot. Hi Danya. Welcome Danya. So this is lovely purple color, ma. It's purple. I have ruby in this. Very beautiful ruby. Hi Farida, welcome. Kasturi ma'am, welcome. This is ruby green. This is coral blue I have. This is champagne. Yeah, Esther ma'am, these all are very lovely colors, ma'am. Beautiful color combinations and beautiful designs I have in this. And this is with wine with red. Wine red with white color. Good evening, Revati. Welcome, ma. Vasantamma, welcome. Kirti, hi, welcome. This is pastel green. So pastel green is very unique, ma. I'll wear and show this piece also. You can see this piece in the front camera. Mint green is lovely. See this piece. It's very rich and unique also. You'll be getting very elegant look in this, ma'am. Hi Rinta ma'am, welcome, good evening. So it's a superb elegant look you will be getting with this. Super duper piece. Don't miss this, dearies. All colors are lovely. Each and every combinations will be lovely in this. It's a pastel green. So in this I have shown 7 colors in this. All 7 colors are lovely, dearies. Next, I am going to show a Swarovski stone collection. Thank you, Meena. Thank you so much. So, I am going to show very beautiful Swarovski stone collections. All are very beautiful. Thank you. So, this is also the lock will be with the watch strap. So, this is also imported ones only. Imported wins and all are original stone you will be getting with us. See this red color. It's a beautiful red and you have a red earrings itself. So this is the red earrings. Wow. Super. And this is price for 8,230 dearies. 8,230 for this piece. Wow, splendid. Thank you. Bharati 8,230 ma. It's all imported ones. So this is the red one. அட்டகாசமா இருக்குக்கா. இந்த ரேட்டுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி தான் அது போட்டாலே நச்சுன்னு இருக்கு பாருங்க, அது மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஆல் வெரி கிளிட்டரி மேம். நீங்க போட்டுட்டு போனாலே டைமண்ட்ஸா தான் கேட்பாங்க. நீங்க தாராளமா டைமண்ட்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிடலாம். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு கலெக்ஷன்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வெரி ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் கலர் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ். It's a very beautiful red color with full of white droplets, solitaire diamond white stones with one big square red stone with B in the earrings and also in the necklace. 8,230 rupees. I'll show in the back camera. Thank you, Bharati ma'am. Thank you so much. I'll show in the back camera each and every collection I'll wear and show. Then only you can see the how it looks on the neck and how it looks on the sari and everything. Okay. So only I'm going to show each and every piece I'm wearing and showing. Back camera katunga. Wow, outstanding. Yes, Nisha, it's a very outstanding piece, Nisha. It's all American diamonds, ma. Solitaire American diamonds. Swarovski stones. So this is very beautiful with the Swarovski stones. Wow, fantastic blood red, ma'am. Superbana red. In the red chance, see the glittery and the shining and the cuttings of the stones inside. So it's very, very beautiful stones you'll be getting with this. How is it, ma? So how many marks you'll be giving for this collections? எடுத்துருங்கக்கா. எடுத்தோன்னே ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேல் வீடியோலேருந்து காட்டணும். அப்புறமா நீங்கள் பக்கத்தில் எடுத்தோன்னே லீஃப் தான் வருது. லீஃப் தெரியக்கூடாது. எடுத்தோன்னே அந்த பீஸ் வந்து ஜூமில் வச்சு மேலே கட்டணும். அப்புறம் ஜூம் பண்ணி காட்டிட்டு அப்புறம் தான் கீழே இருந்து வரணும். எடுத்தோன்னே லீஃப் தான் வருது. அது பார்த்தா யாரும் வரமாட்டாங்க.
அதெல்லாம் தான் மயிலில் தான் வந்து என்ன பார்த்து ஒன்றா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது.
தனியாக தெரியல.
அது தனியாக
அதோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் போதும். அது வேண்டாம், அதை எடுத்துரு. இறங்கினால 101 Shubha 5/5. Thank you.
பிளாக் வந்து நல்ல டார்க்கா தெரியல.
10,000. Wow, Meenashri 10 on 10. Yes. So next I'm going to show one more. So see how it looks. அக்கா இதுக்கு இந்த டேக் போட்டு விட்டுருங்க. இது வந்து பிளெயினா இருக்கு. இது பாரு, இது எவ்வளவு பிளெயினா அழகா தெரியுது. இதுல எதுவுமே தெரியுது. So this is very wow. Beautiful. It's a bottle green, ma. Superb bottle green with the bottle green earrings we have. $100. Super Esther, ma. See this piece. It's a beautiful bottle green. I have bottle green earrings also in this. அது நாளைக்கு கட்டலாம்க்கா. அது இப்போதான் முடிச்சோம். திருப்பி இருக்காது, எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன்.
நான் தான் மலை செட்டு காட்டுறேன்.
எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன். போகுது, இதோட போகுது. This is green color earrings. And this is price for 10,740 ma. 10,740. Hi Kirti, thank you so much ma. So green color earrings also very beautiful. 10,740. 10,740. 10,740. Previous one will be 8,230 Vilma ma'am. Queen set. These all are queen sets only ma'am. Each and every piece will be the queen set for this. And earrings is all very beautiful. See the workmanship of the earrings and the stones. See how clarity it looks. It's very beautiful. It's all are imported Shubha, imported and Swarovski stones. All are original Swarovski stones used. So it is very costly. See this piece. Wow, சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படியே வாயை மூடிக்குவாங்க மேடம் பார்த்தாலே பீஸ் பார்த்தாலே அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த பீஸ். ஓகே இது ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. So I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot of this. Thank you, Shilpa. Yeah, see this piece. See the color, see the stones, see the glittery. It's original diamond stones மாதிரியே இருக்கும் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு. So this is the earrings. How was it, dearies? It's a bottle green. Fantastic one. And next, I have a beautiful yellow color. It's a golden yellow. That is also a very exclusive piece I have. See how beautiful the golden yellow looks. So in this I have two color combinations. How is this yellow ma? It's lovely yellow color. Yeah Usha ma'am, these all are very lovely and unique pieces.
The 3/4.
See this piece. It's a beautiful yellow with yellow color earrings I have in this. See how cute it looks. This is for 6,780. 6,780 for this piece. 6,780. This is the earrings. 6,780. 6,870 for this. Yellow color. It's a beautiful yellow we have. Thank you, Manjula ma'am. In this, one more color I have. That is a very beautiful green color. It's a pastel pista green. In the hammam soap, you will be getting that hammam soap and the synthol and all. So that color you'll be getting with the stone. Good evening, Vedavati ma'am. Welcome. So this green also I'll wear and show, okay? Neerija, thank you Neerija. Thank you so much. This yellow is very beautiful, dearies. Superb yellow. Thank you, Indu. So this is a very beautiful green I have. See, this is green. And I have green color earrings also for that. 6,780. 6,870 rupees for this piece. So I'll show both the colors in the back camera. You can take a screenshot. Two colors available. One piece, excellent. Thank you. Hi Shushila ma'am. Thank you so much. So earrings is all very too good ma'am. Too good. Excellent pieces in this. See the stones and the glittery of the stones in this. Wow. No words to explain these pieces ma'am. So in this I have one more piece. So this is a very beautiful design. And we have a very lovely bottle green. And full of bottle green. Small stones will be filled with. And earrings also very cute. So see this one. Excellent designs. Yeah, Donti Manohar, welcome. See this green also. Yeah, it's very pretty collections, ma'am. 5,930 rupees for this piece. Hi Prabha, welcome. 5,930. 5,930. 5,930 for this piece. All are single pieces, ma'am. No multiples. We can't restock in this. No designs will not come again like this. So if you want, you can take a screenshot. Other than this, we can't get these type of exclusive collection anymore. So once it comes, that's it. We can't restock also. We can't relaunch also these collections. So if it gets sold, again I can't get the same pieces. Anna Mary ma'am, welcome. So this is the earrings. 5,960 dearies. 5,930. Sorry, 5,930. 5,930. I'll show in the back camera. You can see. It's all original Swarovski stones you'll be getting with this dearies. Superb. See the workmanship on the stone finishing and all. Exact finishing and the glitteriness, you can't get any stones in this. And last but not the least, this is the last collection for the live. So this is also very cute and you will be getting full of geometric pattern throughout the necklace and you can wear like this. See this. It's a beautiful golden yellow stone at the center. You will be getting a beautiful golden yellow stone at the center. And earrings you will be getting with the ring type earrings. It's a beautiful ring type earrings. This is also very cute. And this is price for 3,720 ma. 3,730. Okay da. Super. So see this piece. This is the earrings and this is the neck set. 3,720 rupees. 3,720. The earrings will be very unique. A different type of earrings you will be getting with the ring type, half ring. So it's a very cute piece also. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 73977392200 for all your bookings. Back camera. So how was the collections dearies today? So lots of exclusive collections I have shown today. And this is the earrings. And this is the necklace and this is the earrings. 3,720. So it's a beautiful live and I have enjoyed the live by showing all these collections. And finally I'll show the unique piece. It's a designer piece. One and one only unique piece. And this is very beautiful. So don't miss it dearies. It's a lovely fantastic piece. Never ever you can't get this piece also. And this is very beautiful. This is priced for 10,500 rupees dearies. And good, keep it up. Thank you Indu. So how the collection looks. Enjoy it. Thank you Esther ma'am. So all are lovely collections for today. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for audio bookings. 73977392200. We'll meet you on tomorrow's 12 PM live. Bye-bye.